हाय देयर, व्हाट इज अप, गुड मॉर्निंग। सो मेरे पीछे इतना मस्त सनराइज होने वाला है, यस होने वाला है। एंड मैं यहाँ पे मेट्रो की स्टॉप पे जा रहा हूँ जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ वी आर ट्रैवलिंग टू उंद्री, सो इन पुणे। तो इट इज दिस इज व्हाट इट इज। मेरे फ्रेंड्स जो है वो मेरे को पिकअप करने वाले हैं इन मिडल ऑफ द रोड। तो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली विल मीट मंगलवार पेट RTO office. There we are going to meet, and you know, then they are going to carry forward me. So this is what it is. Signing off. My goodness. Are in a Ramvari Vanas going Parpet. The view like oh dude. View है इस वो जो है ना बाहर का जो कि पिंक कलर दिख रहा है, में वैसे दिख रहा है, लग रहा है कि हिट हो रहा है, बट नहीं होने वाला है। बहुत मस्त है dude. We're going to watch some, you know, some metro. So beautiful it is. The view will be awesome. View will be awesome. This is what it's signing on. See that mountain we gone 2 weeks for. That there only. That dude. मतलब we'll definitely go it after 2 more weeks. Guys, so exactly 7 and I probably guess so we're going to be late. Don't know how much time takes for Mangalwar Pet. Probably guess so like it's 8 kilometers, so 20 minutes. So at 20 I'm going to reach there. I think we will be late, but the view is going to be fun and exciting all around. Guys, we got success. Here it is the sunrise from the metro. So plan 1 got success. So beautiful. Hi there. So where are we? We are right now in Deccan Gymkhana Metro on the pool. As you can see, we're going. So now, guess what? बहुत मजा आई भाई. Project अच्छे से गया. We earn almost बता दूँ 3000 प्लस INR डॉलर्स, सेम अमाउंट हम लोग को डॉलर्स में अर्न करना है. सो वी हैव टू चेक द ट्रेड्स, व्हाट आवर ट्रेड्स आर गोइंग फॉरेक्स करेंसी. मैं मॉर्निंग से देख रहा था ऑड कैट, बट अपना सिस्टम मैच ही नहीं हुआ. देयर इज नो ट्रेड. दिस इज इट. लेट्स गो टू येरवडा मेट्रो एंड लेट्स टेक अ बस टू अहमदनगर. साइनिंग ऑफ. दिस इज इट. लव द स्ट्रक्चर ब्रो. लुक एट दैट. वी आर 23 राइट इन 20 hours. नाउ वी आर इन I just forget the दिक्कत ऐसा है. So now we are going to this place to Yerwada and find our buses. Running off metro is coming.
छत्रपति संभाजी.
So hi guys, we are
सुरक्षित अंतर अगला स्टेशन.
hold on. Okay, so we have set into metro heading towards Yerwada. Let's see how much time it is going to take. At 25. Let's see how much time it will take Yerwada, which is almost off.
छत्रपति संभाजी.
What disturbance is that? Hi guys, so we have reached to Yerwada metro station, and these are the 2 companies. It is so beautiful. And guess what? We are going to build the same companies for our company. Also one more thing. This looks awesome. We have saved a lot of traffic. Now we are heading towards down to catch a bus. So this is what it is. Signing off. Hi there. So now we have reached to Yerwada bus stop, where we are going to take the bus which is going to come here. So now this process takes a lot of time. और जो बस आएगी उसमें जगह है या नहीं, probability is like 99% जगह नहीं रहती, 1% जगह रहती, और ऐसे है. So this is what it is. Signing off. Let's see how it goes. Hi guys, we have reached. The Shivsha is in front of us. ये शिवशे मैंने मिस किया येरवड़ा से. येरवड़ा को I just missed the Shivsha, exact Shivsha, and I come to Kharadi bypass just to take that Shivsha. And guess what? That Shivsha is full just because I come here just 5 to 10 minutes late. Time is very worth it here, and yeah, public transport time is seriously needed. So this is it. We need to see another bus. बहुत टाइम जा रहा है यार. मैं अभी तक पुणे में ही 8 बज रहे यार. क्या चल रहा है? I need to do my lectures. I need to do a lot of things यार. पूरा signing off bro. Signing off. Dude, it's very hectic and very time wasting if we are traveling by a public transport, because we wanted to wait. We wanted to go on their time. We can't be like, there are also options like cabs, but we won't afford the cab. We can afford the cab, but no, that's not an option. So no, waiting for the bus. Now when we're waiting, I can't even listen to the audios like lectures or something like that because my AirPod is dead. Sorry, what is this? Headphones. We can start this. So I don't know. I will definitely not prefer anyone to travel in a public transport if you are in emergency. So please do the cab. That's what my recommendation. Waiting for a bus. I'm still here, bro. I'm still here. I'm still standing in the bus. Stop. Seriously. मेरे को बहुत हंसी आ रही है, बहुत मतलब मेरा इतना टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है ना. I can't do lectures. I can't do trading. I can't do anything. I have to save my battery to do the lectures while traveling. Damn. And in front of the plane is getting land. Damn it. It's very, 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 what I can say, worst thing to travel into public transport. तो देखते हैं अभी क्या होता है. Signing off. क्या बोलूँ यार. Guys, still no bus. Still. ऐसे लग रहा है कि अभी 3000 की कैब कर लो. जितना मैंने आज अर्न किया उतने की मैं कैब कर लूँ एंड डायरेक्टली गो टू नगर. बट नहीं कर सकता. वी कांट डू दैट. दैट इज आवर अर्निंग ब्रो. सो हाउ वी कैन यूज इट. वेट फॉर द बस. नाउ द मोर वी आर going to departure late, the more we are going to reach late. So going to पूरा डिस्टर्बेंस होने वाला अपने शेड्यूल का. पूरा बैंड बजने वाली है. बट there is, we don't have any option. We don't have any option. So only one option we have right now as per the budget for traveling. Wait. What else we can do? And side by side, I can't do the lecture. I can't do trading. What I can do is, I will imagine the things which I wanted to plan, which I wanted to do. This I can do it. Okay, so let's do it. ये मेरे को अभी क्लिक हुआ और just making बहाने की. But I will do this. We will do it. Let's do it. We'll think about the plans, the future plans, the steps. Absolutely, we can do this. Let's do it. Hey there, I'm actually sitting here. What time waste हो रहा है? Right, let's go on charge. We were so true that thank God, using our analysis, we haven't take a trade. I will chop it down. Why we haven't take trade? अगर मैं लिया रहता मैं अपना लॉस हुआ रहता तो हम लोग ने ट्रेड लिया नहीं. And have saved our money just because of one thing. One thing क्या है? I will let you know for sure. बहुत अंदर आई मुझे यहाँ पे. क्या सीन है मेरे को ही नहीं मालूम. एंड वन मोर थिंग इज अनदर ट्रेड NZD CAT जो हम लोग देख रहे थे. इट प्लीज अराउंड बट वो मेरे एनालिसिस के हिसाब से वो इधर आना चाहिए था जो कि वो नहीं आया. तो वी हैवंट ट्रेड बट इट रीच आउट टू. वहाँ पे दो सिनेरियोज यहाँ पे कंसिडर हो रहे कि ओके यहाँ पे बहुत अंदर है. आई विल गो आउट एंड टॉक. Hey there, so we got a Shiva electric bus. Thank God, because we can do two things. First, we can charge our phone. Second, we can bank charge our laptop. Laptop is about to run away. We can do the rest. So we are not going to waste time while traveling. Best thing ever. Thank God. Even if so, this is it. Signing off. Hey there. So just now, the ticket निकाला. The price hike for the travel. Why public is so paid bus से not the लाल डब्बा बोलते हैं. Pune to Nagar. It is like Nagar to 202 rupees from 170 for 202 rupees. Shivai it is reached 270 144 74 rupees in Shivai. They worth it. Time पे आना चाहिए. That is the first thing. And I probably get ordinary. Something 478 को बोल रहे थे. Don't remember the figure, but 400 का increase हो गया. Almost 500 का. I lose my 6 conductor में. And we are all in light off हो गए. The worst thing is I can't able to keyboard. That's why I have to increase the brightness. Use the white texture until our new laptop cover. But we're going to and look in what trades and what price particularly we are going to sell. So just wanted to show you if we haven't taken NZD. NZD CAT, there was a consensus matching of like 100% about us. But thing is like, we were for this price to this point. So it is not getting what we want. We are going to take trade. Why? Let me show you. If we take trade blindly, CAT, we got Asia. We can if trade. It is the market is going to us that we should out of our plan you going to live example or our have match, but we were not BRE in all the time, no trade. That was a confluence, not taking trade. And the second thing, we were forward for, let me zoom it for you. Yeah, let me zoom it for you. So this was there right now. On that, when I was looking for sell, the price was here, and we were looking for price to sell here, right? 0.618 actually. So if the price is not touching to my area of risk, we're not going to sell. We have sale here, absolutely. Our loss is about to hit. अगर हम लोग ने वो trade लिया रहता, guaranteed loss हो रहता. So this is how we should be. This is how professional trades, and this is how professional traders money. You guys lose. This is how it is. I mean, you will just one more. The bonus, and see, I will tell you that is UHF. We were looking short, and yes, a breakout of the interest was good, and we were looking for price to retest the of interest going to, but there is no interest. Is only we have the trade at entry signal. Not I'm going to give right. Sort out. The entry signal is shift of structure. It is this price come here. We are waiting for the price. Right? There is no shift higher high, higher low. So with kind of bullish trend. It's not bearish. So guys sell here. Absolutely, you're going to making so you sell in a market which is going up domestic. And yes, there's probably a lot of people here because they are there. To sell. Hello, so this is it. This is how we get to do every single thing. It's everything checklist. We have trade 100% done. So we grow. This is it. Without wasting more time. Battery is about to die. Like below 50%. Battery is like 80%. बहुत मस्त बात बोलूँ मैं. कभी-कभी डील करना पड़ता है कब लग तो. We have to use it. What we're going to do is once we come up where we got it is and Congrats bro. Say worst क्या हो सकता है? मेरा रिचार्ज हो गया and यहाँ पे लाइट भी कम है. We are going to the back SIM card which I have 1 GB. My server, my payment server is also down. Worst. So now we are having 1 GB or I can do the lecture. The video editing will not involve that amount of internet. So logically we should do that. Yeah, we'll do it rather than using the internet. This is the backup. It should be because we'll be needing on day after tomorrow because after tomorrow there is a big going to anyway stay tuned for that. Also guys, one more thing यार बहुत update आ रहे हैं because 1 week में बहुत change होता है. See, I was looking forward for chief operating officer for my business and guess what? We got a 51 applicants and guess what? All are foreigner and ऐसे वैसे नहीं बहुत high class. Let me give an example. If we go for tags is very old expensive. He has done a lot of things. Also Sammy, also there are also a lot of what I can say. You just see. That's a nice picture. So guys, बहुत मजा आने वाला है इनका इंटरव्यू. A lot of things are remaining bro. So I'll share this detail to the HR department will handle it. So the price is falling like anything. Fear of missing out. It is one more feeling that we avoid. That's what it is signing off. Bro, see, our battery is like guess what? If we see the lectures, will drain like 30 seconds per minute, 1% per minute. So we can't lose battery right now. So rather than doing the lecture, I come up with an idea that we can directly, which I was doing, and we are very close to finish. It is like 119 pages. We have $100 million going to help to elevate our business like it, and also to other countries. That will actually take a very battery rather than seeing videos. That is this is what the final decision is. Hi guys, so I have many now. Client this. I was reading the book. You guys value the book. It is, eyes hurt. The same price guys मैं कौन बहुत reclining in the unusual position where I must sleep नहीं आएगी. Trying very bell alarm, but alarm never works. Did alarm works is will be sleeping in the morning. Even alarm went off. That but will still be. Read the book, what else? Less charging. Yeah. I think बहुत मतलब having a pay for. Hey guys, officially laptop got drain out the back. So now what? Have 1 hour maybe? No. We have 1.5 hours. What we can do now? A lot of things to do. Video editing. We can't upload, so we can do the video editing. Oh, we can do the video. It is the first thing. The second thing, we can do the lectures on phone. Lecture किया तो मेरे को उठाएगी on phone because बहुत choice ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. Basically comfortable तो सो जाऊँगा. Will watch and yeah, I will figure out what we can. Hi guys, so I come up with answer that we're going to focus on video editing for next a lot of like 1.5 hours. Basically, I am going to play the songs to keep me alive because बाकी को The rest of the things will make me sleep like this is the first thing and there is no second thing. We can't do lecture because net is down. What else we can do is video editing only. So basically we are going to waste our time. Editing is not that profitable for us right now. We can also read. As always, screen is very small so we can't sleep. So let's play the song. After बहुत नींद आ रही, use call Instagram reels to entertaining our brain not left. This is what it is signing off. This is seriously right also. Dhaba. We have the audio dictation versus reality. Very intense. So we'll not do it outside. बहुत खाना खा लिया बाहर. Now mom food. Signing off. PDMs are going. Back then it is being used. Bro, my time is getting wasted. Rather than hearing the list or listening to the hearing something grammatical is there for sure. So, rather than the PDM, thinking to start by sleep. Might be a minute buffer time. Wait, let's do it. And editing, video editing, but डाल दिया ना, exporting में बहुत है. It takes like billions of bore हो जाता है. And background after something on be my pictures thing, but if as I read तो बहुत देखते नहीं आप. I will do 5 minutes of lecture, 5 minutes of lecture, emotional जो है एकदम fluctuation band हो जाता पूरा. Sleep आएगा इनको लगता है. What it but okay, now sleep starting in and बहुत will use because see what is happening is into the lectures reading and उसके वजह से भी sleep आ रहा है. My concept is a lot of that plus this is sitting and there is no activities इधर उधर हिल रहा हो गाड़ी हिल रही. So the most I have to sleep now because just like 20-30 minutes of road is remaining. But if I don't pick up, I will miss my dropping point and rest of the things. So it's better to use Instagram reels to keep my brain on, just so that let's use the reels for benefit. This is how an entrepreneur should think. Should also think. Signing off. Ideas. So we are about to drop. Thank God for the Instagram reels. Helped me a lot too. So if I will, and if you use the Instagram reels in your favor, don't get anyone that is waiting for you late night or signing off.